Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And yes, people, the weekend has arrived and we got an awesome, and I do mean super awesome, watch face for you all to check out. Now, this watch face is going to cost you nothing. It's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. It just dropped in. Now, for those of you all who are going to be working out, you're going to be exercising this weekend, this is going to be the perfect watch face to have on your wrist. Now, the developer has been doing this thing. I think he's new to the game and he's definitely getting down. I'm giving the guy 5 thumbs up in the door for the design and the creativity of this awesome animated watch face. All right. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and let's kick off this review. The name of the watch face is called Your Health, and it's all about your exercise, and it's all about keeping fit. It's all about keeping up with your info, and this watch face has you covered, right? Now, in the AOD mode, it's going to look the same. You're going to have the same design, same layout of information, and it's going to be in a green theme so far as the color is concerned. But when the watch face is on, the animation of the little man. Now, I wish that we have more of these on more fitness and workout watch faces because I love this type of animation. Now, up at the top, you are going to get your heart rate information. You come down to the left, you are going to get water intake, floors climb, calories burned. To the right, you're going to get info on battery, distance, miles walked or ran, and also your step info. And yes, people, it is inactive, so if I tap on the battery, I can't get my battery info, although it's right there in front of me. And I could tap on my step and get my step status info. Now, if I tap right here, I can set a favorite, which I thought was pretty cool. You get 2 places to do so. If you tap on the seconds, it'll pull up another one, so you get 2 places to set your favorite applications. You get your stacked digital time in the middle, which looks good. I really like that design there. And you can come on this side too as well and tap, and it'll bring up calories burned, of course, floors climbed, all the rest of your step status info is here, and also same thing here. So I like what the developer is giving us with this watch face. The design is definitely on point, and you can customize the color theme. So double tap and you can change the color theme to the time. Again, I really like this design in the middle where the time is. It really brings the watch face alive, and I thought the developer did an awesome job with this one. Also, double tap here and you can change the theme a little bit more, which I thought was awesome. We're going to cycle through all of them just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this awesome free watch face in the Gear Manager store. Now, you know you got to download ASAP because this can become paid tomorrow. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy your weekend.